Well, ladies and gentlemen, 2018 is coming to an end. We've had a wonderful year. Patty got her wish. She got a brand new house with a nice new fireplace. See the fire? Oh, it feels so warm. I can just put my hands. Oh, boy, that feels good. Nice fireplace. Christmas is just around the corner. Yes, sir. It's just around the corner. She's got her cabinets, all this other stuff. Oh, she got a fireplace. She got a real one also. That's just part of it. See? Nice little Christmas tree. We got more fireplace. Actually, we do have a fireplace. Just so y'all think I ain't just making this up. Look, watch, see? Look. Nice fireplace, see? Ooh, now that one's for real, see? Only that don't make no music. And have just enough. Look at that, see? Merry Christmas, everybody. This is the loft that we have. It's nice and cozy. Yes, I have it dark. You don't need it too light. See, the Lord is very kind. Merry Christmas. Oh, oh, oh.